Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm here once again to bring you another bomb tutorial. So let's get started. We're going to be starting with Wish Beauty Restoring Face Oil. I actually really like this oil to really hydrate and moisturize my skin. Then after this, we're going to be using TouchinSol. I believe that's how you say it. It is the No Pore Blem Prime Essence with Clandelula flower extract. Oh my god, that was like a whole thing. I really like this primer because it really like makes my skin super shiny, I guess. We're gonna jump into our concealer on our eyes because we already did our eyebrows off camera. So the first thing that I grabbed was my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer, just so I can put that on my base for my eyeshadow next. So for eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Makeup Shack which one is this? Nightfall palette. And the first color is going to be Cider and Honey. I believe I did mix those two, so it was the more burnt one and then the more honey one. And now I'm moving on to Wine and Currant right now. I actually started off with Currant and now I'm jumping into Wine because it's a little bit more, obviously more wine color. So I wanted to do honestly, I did not have an idea of what look I was looking for or I was going for. So after this, you're going to see me struggle a little bit with the next eyeshadow. I'm not struggling, but I am like, oh my god, what look am I going for? Because I have no idea. And you're gonna see right now. So right here, I'm getting Twilight, which is this really pretty blue, but I feel like because I put it on top of the red, it was mixing really weird. So now I'm like, what am I doing? Like, should I start over or what? But once you start putting the eyeshadow, like more of the eyeshadow on the base, and once you start putting more pigment to it, you're gonna see that it turns out super gorgeous. So I actually just played back the last voiceover, like the beginning, and I sound so horrible. My voice has been like this for a couple days. You know, I had a wild weekend, and you know what happens to your voice. So don't mind my voice. I'm not always like this, but don't mind it. So now we're jumping into concealer. I wanted to do, first of all, I feel like this didn't really do a lot because the next liquid eyeshadow that I use is just gonna make everything bright either way. But I did want to do kind of like a halo eye and focus the middle to be a little bit brighter. But the liquid eyeshadow that I used, which is this one, which is the Makeup Shack liquid eyeshadow in Neochrome, it is so gorgeous and so bright that I don't really need to do it. I actually was going to do kind of like a halo look, so just in the middle, but then I got carried away and I just did it on the whole lid. So you're gonna just see me basically bring that shadow or that liquid eyeshadow all the way down to the inner corner and then all the way back down to the edge. So doing the concealer part, you don't really need it. But after this, I was like, oh my god, yes, I saved this look and it looks so freaking bomb. So now I'm jumping into Inglot's liquid eyeliner, or actually gel eyeliner, which is so freaking bomb. This is in black, I believe, or it's like the black liquid, or what am I saying, liquid? Gel eyeliner. It is so nice because it does not get dried up and it's so creamy, and you are able to just make gorgeous thin lines, obviously with the brush that you're using as well, but it's so pigmented and it's so nice. I'm super obsessed with it. So yes, this is what I'm doing now. And now, I thought I was gonna stop, but now I'm jumping into lashes. This is by Lashed by Olivera from Olivera brand, and this is in the style London. I really like these lashes because they flare out more on the outside, so it gives you like a nice cat eye look, basically. After this, I look bomb. I'm feeling myself. I'm like, yes, girl, yes. After lashes are done, honestly, I feel like you just look like a better bitch. So now I'm jumping into, once again, Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in shade Custard, and I'm just basically doing my same routine. I already have my foundation on, which I don't really like to put so much of it because I literally do the same routine. But if you want me to do an updated foundation, concealer, contour, all of that, the same routine that I've been doing for a long time, then I will definitely do that. So just comment down below if you want that, then I will for sure do that for you. So right here, I'm just taking a sponge. This is actually one of my favorite sponges right now. It's also by the Makeup Shack, and I have a code from them. That way you could save a little bit of money. So I will put that right here. And yeah, I'll hook you guys up. Come on now. So now I'm taking the same brand, the Makeup Shack, and this is the Silhouette Contour Palette. I'm taking the shade Sunkiss, which is the one in the middle. It's super, super nice. It just gives me like a nice bronzed look that matches my skin, which is the best. And now I'm just gonna basically do my lower lash line, which is the same shades that I used on the top. So I don't feel like I don't need to explain all of this because it's the same shadows that I used on the top. So now that my eyes are smoked out and ready to go, I'm going to finish my face with my Tartesit Pro Glow palette. And oh my gosh, you guys, I got this in my BoxyCharm, so shout out to you guys. This palette is so freaking bomb. Like, just look at that beautiful glow. And it's so pigmented. I love it. And I do use a smaller brush when it comes to highlight because I like for the highlight to show up more. So now moving on to lip liner. This is a lip liner by LA Girl, but unfortunately I do not know the shade on the top of my head. I will look it up and put it down below in the description box. Now I'm using Cara Beauty's liquid lipstick and magic wand. You can also use my code Marianne Matar for money off your purchase. Then I'm also using their lip gloss, which is amazing. It's bomb. This is in a spirit. And now, yes, girl, we are done with this look. Look at how bomb this look is. Oh my goodness. This is seriously one of my favorite looks that I've done. So if you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I will be back with some more bomb videos, you guys. Bomb vlogs, funny videos, whatever you guys want me to do, because I really do want to get back into this YouTube shit, So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, loves. Mwah.